Hey guys, welcome to the Daily Devo. My name is Brent, and today we're going to have a conversation around worry. So at the local church I serve at, I get the opportunity to lead our 20s and 30s ministry. Recently, during one of our talks, we were having a conversation around the big idea that a surrendered life leads to a purpose-filled life. Now listen, as a communicator, one of the tools I often use as a secret sauce to connect with the audience is vulnerability. Well, during this talk, I knew I had to be vulnerable about what I was personally struggling to surrender. So I looked at our group and said, guys, as a Christian, there's always going to be something in your life you have to surrender to. And in this current season of my life, the thing I'm struggling with is surrendering to not worrying about my future. I went on to say that the same God who's keeping me in the season of life that I'm currently in is the same God that's going to keep me in my next season of life. And then it reminded me of what Peter was saying to young leaders in the church in 1 Peter chapter 5, verses 6 and 7. Let's take a look at it. It says, "So humble yourselves under the mighty power of God, and at the right time, He will lift you up in honor." Watch verse 7. "Give all your worries and cares to God, for He cares about you." Here's the thing. If God has had a track record of proving that He's been faithful and trustworthy in your now, why are you and I worried that He won't be faithful and trustworthy in our next? You see, Peter lets you and I clearly know that we can trust God because He cares for us. So for the person who may be dealing with worry right now, let me remind you again that the Bible is clear. God cares for you. So my encouragement to me and to you is to stop worrying about a million possibilities that could never happen. Instead, humble yourself under the mighty, reliable, never-failing hand of God. And in due time, He'll promote you. But in the meantime, give Him all of your worries because God cares for you.